You see the pin code access like this now. Entering the pin code and you can be ready the system. And like this is okay. Now also access would be the RFID. After you will see how is now is going. This is number of 3 for the demo. You can make up to 30 mobiles in one group also. One base unit can control up to 30 mobiles. Now as you see the RFID access, aisle is secured right now. Can you please open the with your card, please? Yes, okay, now it's ready. You can access this aisle now, as you see. You can access this aisle. I mean, you can access with pin code and RFID. Also, we have optional system for the remote control. We will show you after that this scenario. Now, as you see, the lamp is on automatically. Its LED is on. Now is as you see the aisle and the system, this carriage turns to RFID is aisle secured. This also is pin code like this, and also this pin code. Now, can you please access with pin code? Yes, is it correct? And you can move this aisle and you can open this protected aisle. Also, it has several safeties for photo safeties and MCMS also. Hi, now I would like to show you how MCMS is working. The motor current monitoring system is always on guard in our system. When the user inside the corridor and another user sends any mobile from left or right, the person is absolutely in safe. Can you please show how is the MCMS works now? Now the person is inside and working, and another person comes to open another mobile when the user is inside the corridor. As you see, the motor current monitoring system comes through the user, and as you see, after some very sensitive touch, the mobile removes back, and the user is always on guard. And the system says the MCMS stop check mode, and the user now is, as you see, the absolutely safe in the aisle, in the open aisle. Now MCMS stop and check the load. When the user is check the corridor and press again, the requested place moves the carriage, because the first command was right side. As you see, the MCMS works the very sensitive and always on guard with the safety, one of the safety. Another safety is okay, pin code and center left side. Okay. Now when the mobile is moved like this, you can press any stop button. Please stop button, any stop button. Stop. Okay, this is the emergency stop. Like you, when the mobile is moved, if the user touch any stop button on the carriage, it automatically stops. And again, yes, and the mobile starts to continue the regressive place. This is emergency stop. Also, second safety. Another safety is the photo safety. As you see, through the beep, this sensors also extra safety for the user. When the user enters the pin inside the corridor, as you see. Okay, now you can send it. Now this is the photo safety. As you see, the safety is always on that. As you see, now as you see, the obstruction is happening. Please check for any obstruction and moves the back, because the obstruction happened. And the system says the obstruction is happening. As you see now, you will see the message, error message. Please check for any obstruction, because I prevented the photo safety through the beam. Now if you press again the stop button, the mobile moves to requested place again. This is photo safety. One is MCMS, another is emergency stop. Is always on guard for the safeties. Also optional aisles entry safety sensor also on guard when the moves was. And this short list safeties of the system. Now we would like to shortly introduce to you our latest developed wireless controller system, remote control site. This runs on the Windows with the any wireless touchpad, laptop, PC, and as you see, the remote control section is the mobiles like this, number of 3. You can select number of 1 or 2 or 3. Now I'm selecting number 1 and I can send this right side. As you see, the same synchronized with the mobiles. is remote controlling of software. You can select any number of tube like this, and you can press it, and you can exit this one. The same you can make control remotely. Okay, now I am exiting from here. You can get the log access. As you see, you can get log data. As you see, the actions with pin code or RFID, and it reports your actions, what time opened and closed. And this is also configuration and settings. It's the same with the master unit, this base unit, same configuration. Okay, you can stay here. Okay. And you can make the same actions from here, configuration. And username and settings, you can change from here. And logout. This is the remote control software for this side. Thank you very much. Now is action with demo. And you know, external warning also is working. Right now it's moving on the left side and right side is like this. There's also RFID option is here attached. Now I will show you how it's also RFID. As the lamp is on now, it's automatically LED light as you see. Now it's ready and moving. External light for the warehouse like this. And raising the warehouse. This is the power unit. It's the power unit. And it's hub access for lock access and